Welcome to my YouTube channel. Once again, this is Knowledge Base, and I'm here once again to talk about how to go live on our Facebook, on our Twitter, and LinkedIn using VMix. VMix is one of the best softwares that you can use to go live. If you're looking for a TV, if you're looking to start up a TV, if you're looking at start up a broadcast online, or you're looking at just having to carry out something very professional when you go to your social media. But this time I'm talking about people that own TVs, those who want to start up TVs, people who want to start up local TVs, and you want a software that is simpler, easier to use while you go live anywhere that you want. Even on recordings, pre-recordings can also be made by VMix. Now we are going to be starting. This is our VMix dashboard. As you all know, I am sure if you're watching, you know what VMix is all about. VMix is a software. Remember, it's a paid up software that you pay one time, and would call it actually a free software because this is a one-time software. Once you pay your money and you get your software on your laptop, on your computer, even if you change the computer, you just change the computer, but you keep upgrading this software. The beauty about it is that it is a lifetime program. It's a lifetime software. So in this case, in my other videos, I've showed you on how to add input, on how to add videos. Maybe I can take you through a little bit as we go through connecting it on the socials. We could say maybe we want to add input. When we come in here, you come in here in the right, you see where there is input, where you need to add input. This is it. You want to add what you want to add, what you want to add. All these things are already right here, whatever you want to add. So in end of any input, you say, for example, if you want to add, when we go here, we have the video, we have the DVR, we have the list, we have the camera, we have the everything that you want. You have the image, you want everything. You could do this. Maybe let's talk about the image. Let me say that we have added an image here. And the image is right here. Let me see if my images are here, if you can pick. Okay, look at my image. My image is right there. I can always move my image from left and right. So this is the image that I have that I can always move left and right. So if you want to add anything, please go ahead and add here. If you want to add a video, if you want to add whatever, if you want to add, let's say if we can get a video. I'm just taking you through this so that if you're forgetting, you're able to remember and know that this. So you can look at this, the video is here, the documentary is right here, and I can always switch from my video to my documentary left and right. So you see how I've
growing up in the cliff mountains of Bulambuli,
right here.
In their hearts, ambitious aspirations take root.
This is how I've managed to add my input, and guess what? I am set and I am ready. Maybe probably
some envision themselves as future healers, aspiring to don the white coat.
Let's talk about I want to live stream this. So live streaming this or going on social media. Let's say that your camera is attached and your video comes in here. Now I'm going to take you through how you're supposed to be adding all the socials. So what we do, we come in here, we see what we call the stream. When we talk about the stream, you come in here, you click on the stream. When you click on the stream, another window will come up, okay? Another window will come. Let's talk about this, okay? Just a minute. We're talking about setting up the stream. You click on this one to give you the setup. So the setup, we have the default. We have 1, 2, 3, which means you can have all the three that you can connect to, okay? So number one here is Facebook, definitely. You bring the custom server. The custom server, I always tell people, use the custom server. It's very important. Then you go to a URL. So what you do, when you go to your Facebook page and go live, okay? Let me take you through so that we see all these things right. Where do we pick the URL, okay? Where do we pick the URL? If we're going on Facebook, I'm going to take you through this. So here, I am bringing my Facebook page. I'm going to bring my Facebook page here. Okay, my Facebook page right here. just a few minutes, because remember I'm running VMix on my PC and then my internet also a little bit slow down. But let's go through it. Thank you for keeping patient. Thank you for keeping on my channel. Do not forget to subscribe as we go through our learning process. So I am getting here, I'm going to show you where do we pick the URL, where do we pick all these to connect it with VMix. So when we come in here, we go here, live stream. When we go to live stream here, we click on the live. I hope I was not very fast. We go to, let me go back. We click here on live video. Okay. Oh, sorry guys. Oh, sorry guys. Sorry. So guys, I just just a minute. Just a minute.